Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. Hear me roar, and I've got my Ipsy glam bag. No, I lied. I'm not having a glam bag anymore after this month. This is my Boxycharm by Ipsy. Super heavy, super duper. Very excited. I remember some of the things in here. I have the prices for what's in here. And this is a $151 value box, which is great. This is tough. Tough to open. There we go. And we've got a little booklet. It says Boxycharm, glamiest show on earth. I feel pretty glam today with all this makeup. All right, let's get in here. Let's not waste a bunch of time. My first box was really good, and it had my something. It had my boost, my beauty boost, which I don't know what I did with it. Which is, I'm just looking around for it, which was Huda Beauty palette. So first off, we have from Koa Life. This is a vitamin C lip mask, and it's supposed to be really great for your lips. I will put it next to my bed, and this is $23, and it's full up to here, so that's a good amount. And that's very exciting. We love a lip mask. Or it's a vitamin C lip treatment, but I'm going to call it a mask. Next up, we have, in foam, Kopari Marine Clean Purifying Gel Cleanser. And Kopari is great stuff, and I could always use a cleanser, or it's going to go on my Macari, one of the two. But very nice, and this is $29. Then we have from Drunk Elephant, Cocomino Glossing Shampoo, and I could use something to keep my hair looking glossy and shiny. This is very nice, and this is $27. This is a short video. Then I have the conditioner. It's a Silcamino Mega Moisture Masker. And this is Silky Amino Acids, Sunflower Fatty Acids, pH 4.3. And this is $30. Conditioner to go with that shampoo from Drunk Elephant. And then we have the most expensive thing in the box. And I'm not really excited about it. It is a face palette with a built-in mirror. It's got 11 essential neutrals. And it's sealed in plastic. So I'm going to open it so we can take a look at it. All right, so I'm getting it open. And it's a neutral face palette, which is always nice to have a neutral face palette. It's good for a lot of people, but I think this one's pretty pale. Call me morbid, call me pale. I spent 6 months on your trail. 6 whole months chasing your tail. That's from a Smith song. Let's see if I can. I'm trying to open this without breaking any nail. I opened it at the correct end and everything. A lot of cardboard to keep it safe. And this is the Toy Factory. It's nice, ugly beige plastic. And this is really only good for like pale people. And you can make eyeshadow, you can do bronzer, you can do blush, You can make pretty much a whole face look with this. Will I use it? No. Will it be a good present? Yes, because it's Christmas time for me. I'm getting all my presents ready for my people. So that will be a nice present to someone. Even though I don't want it, that doesn't mean nobody else will. So let's go over what I got. $151 total, because this is $42 for this face palette. This lip treatment is $23. This Drunk Elephant Cocomino Glossing Shampoo, which is a pH of 5.5, is $27. The conditioner is $30. The cleanser is $29. So it's a great value. It's all very useful stuff. What I don't want, I can give away. So I'm going to say it's a good box. So I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And I will see you real soon on the flip flop. Bye.